Good afternoon. Thank you all for being here to improve the lives of women and girls. You are part of the community that helps them thrive. Before I go any further, I want to thank the development team, Emily, Ilda, Sharonda, Katie, and Liz, and Caroline and her team, who have worked so hard to make this afternoon such a fantastic success. My sincere thanks also to our event co-chairs, Adela Cepeda and Julie Smolansky. My name is Sujata. I am the president and CEO of the Chicago Foundation for Women. Since I stood here last year, the foundation has leveraged nearly $2 million in grants to 140 programs. A grant helped the Chicago Alliance Against Sexual Exploitation get legislation passed to improve the anti-trafficking statute. This will generate resources for survivors of trafficking and prostitution. We made multi-year grants for the first time. For example, our grantee, the National Immigrant Justice Center, can now work on legislative and legal support for all immigrants. But we don't just grant money. Our Women's Leadership Development Initiative is building a robust nonprofit sector. We do this in two ways. One, by developing civic and nonprofit leaders, and two, by growing effective organizations. But there's much more to be done here and now. We were aghast when we hear of a Bangladeshi living on less than $2 a day. But what about the 1 in 4 US households led by women who are earning merely $20,000 a year? Many mothers are reusing diapers and diluting baby formula to make ends meet. We were appalled when we read the news of a woman being gang raped in Delhi. But we only have to go as far as our college campuses or military bases to hear similar stories. The mortality rates of women diagnosed with breast cancer in Chicago are worse than in Nigeria. These numbers are twice as bad if you're in neighborhoods like Washington Heights, North Lawndale, or West Garfield Park. Chicago Foundation for Women is committed to building a stronger, safer metropolitan region for all women and girls. Here are three initiatives we're working on. We're increasing investments in smart, women-led solutions. We recognize that creative ideas need support, but not necessarily independent infrastructure. So we created the Enterprise Fund. The fund supports effective collaborations, efficient restructuring, and strategic expansions. 2, we're growing philanthropic leaders by encouraging young women and men to serve on nonprofit boards through our board member boot camps. Our goal is to ensure that our grantees have strong and diverse leadership that is equipped to govern, fundraise, and oversee fiscal matters. 3, we're accelerating movements for positive change. We collaborate and partner with others to define the changes we want to see for all women and girls in the region. I look forward to the day when every girl feels safe in the home and on the playground, when every mother has access to quality health care, and when equal pay day is the last Friday in December and not a Tuesday in April. That is the day I can retire on a coffee plantation in India. Until that day comes, there's a lot to be done here and now. Thank you.